With Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield, you can create websites like this. How about this one? And in this tutorial, I will show you how you can create this website using Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield within 20 minutes, and then how to publish it to a live website with a free domain. So if you're ready, let's get started. So what I will do, I will go to ferdy.com/Claude. It's not an affiliate link, it's just a reference so I can see how many people click on it. I accept all the cookies. I can continue with my Google account or sign up with email. I prefer email, so I click over here. Then I enter my email address. I click on continue with email. And now I go to my email account and I click over here to sign in with Claude AI. Then I click on copy the code. I go over here, I paste it, verify email address, and now I have an account. Let's create your account. I agree over here. I subscribe to occasional promotional emails and notifications. You can also not do that. I prefer to do that. Create an account. What is my birthday? Well, it's almost there. June 28th, 1986, almost 40. I'm going to use it for personal use. And I want to, you can get started with free. Of course, if you want to use Fable 5, I would definitely go with Pro. I will go with Max because I want to get the most out of it. I want to make a lot of websites and show you how to do it. I want to go with this one. And I show you throughout the tutorial how many credits and tokens I use for these projects. I fill in my details. I agree over here and then I click on subscribe and pay. You can download it for Mac OS. I click on skip. Right now I want to use it from the browser. Before your first chat over here, we can help improve the AI models by turning these on. I click on continue. My name is Ferdy. Continue. What kind of work do you do? I see myself as an educator. And I click over here on I have my own topic. There you are. Welcome Ferdy, I'm Claude. So the first thing I always want to do, I want to change the layout to a dark layout. In order to do that, I click over here. I go to settings and here at appearance, I want to change it to dark. There you go. Now I want to make use of a Higgsfield. Why? Higgsfield can create images, it can create videos, it can create 3D objects. And instead of going through Higgsfield and download it and implement it in Claude, you can connect those together. And then from Claude, you can create anything you want just by prompting, by having a conversation. And then Higgsfield will be used for all the images, videos, and 3D objects you need. So let me show you how to get an account at Higgsfield and then how to implement it with Claude. So in order to get started with Higgsfield, we go to ferdy.com/HF for Higgsfield, or you can go to the link in the description or in the first comment. And then we arrive on this page. I accept everything over here and I click over here on sign up. I can do it with Google, Apple, other ways. I prefer to do that with email. So email address. I create a password and I click on continue with email. I verify my email. Let me copy this, paste it. I want to use it for personal use. I consider myself to be a beginner. I want to do video generation, image generation, continue. I heard about you through YouTube. I say other over here. I want to go for 1 month. This one, $59, select offer, pay and subscribe. Awesome. Now I go to Claude AI. I go to the customize options. Then I go to connectors, click on the plus and then add a custom connector. I call this one Higgsfield. Then I go to Higgsfield MCP to the website and I click over here on MCP and CLI. Over here, step 2, add this URL, copy it, paste over here. Now I say add. You're not connected to Higgsfield yet, so I click over here on connect. Over here I allowed these steps. I click on allow. And now one more step. It says right now it needs approval for all the features it has at Higgsfield. What I will say over here, always allow. Also over here, always allow. Awesome. I go back. Awesome. Now we can use Higgsfield with Claude. So now I'm here at Claude. It's connected with my MCP from Higgsfield. I can close this. So now I need to start typing what I want. What kind of website do I want to have? Well, before we're going to do that, I want to make use of a skill. That skill can be uploaded to Claude, and then Claude knows what to do when you arrive with your script. So the script can be very simple. So first, what I will do, if you want to follow along with the same script and skill I use, you can go to Ferdy.com, search for Higgsfield, hit enter. There you go. You can download this skill, unzip it. There you go. And copy this. Let me see. Click on more and copy this prompt, or you go to ChatGPT and just explain what kind of website you need or want, and then ask it to make a skill for you that you can download. Then we go to Claude. I click over here, add files. I go to downloads and let me see, where is it? The .md file. I have 3 of them, they're all the same. First, send that, and it will take a look at it. When it has done that, I want to have a luxurious car website shown in 3D with a lot of colors. Dark website. It should be looking like an award-winning website. You can also add an image of a website as a reference and just explain what you want. And when you scroll, show a 3D animation of that car. Show 4 versions of the car and come up with a cool name of the car. Or what I said, go with this one. So let me paste it. This is what I've created by chatting with ChatGPT. I hit enter and let's see what it comes up with. And in a lot of cases, what you will see at the right hand, you'll see the example website. But since we're talking about the 3D stuff, GSAP, Three.js, it can be that your website will be downloadable as a zip file, and then you can open it on your computer and see the result. And later I will show you how you can put it on a real website with a free domain name and 10% extra discount. So let's wait, let's see how long it takes, and then I will be back with you. It's now a few minutes later. As you see, Higgsfield has created a few images. It has created videos and it's putting everything together. So since it's using JavaScript and other things, there's not just an HTML file, it's a whole package. So instead of showing the result over here, I can download the zip file. It's called Irida. So the car that's been built is called Irida. So let's check it out. I click on download. Now I click over here and it opens a folder. As you see, index.html and then config, logic, motion.js and a CSS style sheet. So I click on index, the website will be loaded. So after the first prompt, it looks like this. Nice. That's the image we just saw. Let's see if it moves if we scroll down. No. Look at this. Nice. It looks great. Oh, there's a little bit of, how do you say that? It could be smoother. Multiple versions. Really nice. Out of the box, I'm quite impressed. Very nice. If I click on review, I see this area. If I go to chromatics, motion, models, there you go. Awesome. If I want to change something, for instance, let's do the animation over here. I can make a screenshot. I can add a file or a photo, go to desktop. Then I can say, make the scroll animation in the header. If I want to change something else, for instance, use different images over here, just make a screenshot and tell it what you want it to do. That is how it works. What you also can do, you can go to awards, 3ws.com, go to categories, let's say fashion. If you see a website you like, visit the site. You can make a screenshot or about the header or about the whole page. I have a tool for that. It's called Go Full Page. Then download this, upload it to Claude, and then just say, this is what I want. Let Higgsfield make the images. I want to sell things, implement e-commerce functionalities, and then Claude will work for you. So if you're happy with the result, what you can do, I can bring this to a live website with a free domain. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's go to ferdy.com/web hosting, hit enter. You can also click on the link in the description or in the first comment, and then go to this website. And then I click on start now. Here you see if you somehow don't like the service, you get a free domain and you get web hosting, which is what you need in order to store your website on the internet so others can view you. Then you can get your money back, no questions asked. I click on start now. And then over here, I can choose 3 plans. And I can tell you for this website we're going to make, the premium plan is enough. So first I want to choose 12 months. Then I click on choose plan. Then over here, I have a coupon code for you. I can give you 10% extra discount. So fill in Ferdy, hit enter. And then you get a free domain and web hosting for a year for just $52.14. Then I click on continue. I need to create an account. So I will fill in my details over here. Email. I create a password and then I click on register. Then I need to fill in my billing details. Ferdy, Korpershoek. My address is not necessary. And if I have a company, I can have my company details over here. And then the taxes will be subtracted. I click on continue. And depending on where you come from, there are local payment methods. So I can pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, PayPal. It can be that you see different payment methods because you're from a different country. I will go with credit card. And then I click on submit payment. Congrats, your journey begins now in 3, 2, 1. There you go. So are you creating a website for yourself or for someone else? I'm creating it for myself. And I want to migrate an existing website. So I click on the second option. Now I select upload backup files. Next. You can choose a free domain name. For the sake of the tutorial, I will go with a temporary domain. Now I go to my Finder. Really important, make sure that your website has an index.html file. That's the first file that will be searched for when the server of your website is reached. So when you have all the files over here, say Command A, right mouse click, compress. You can rename this website. And now drag that zip file over here. Click on next. Now it's analyzing your uploaded website. Submit the request. You should see the loading screen in the main image. If you see that, that means it's working. Or even better, you see the website so you know it's working. I click on continue to the dashboard. And by the way, over here, you don't see any images. You don't see 3D files. You don't see videos. Why? Because since you have a Higgsfield account, it will be directly grabbed from the Higgsfield account. So if I click over here, which could also be your free domain name, look at this. We are live on the internet. Your website is live. And now you can share this with your friends. We've created this within 20 minutes. This is crazy. And I think we're just scratching the surface. And of course, the big question is, what if you want to change something? Well, let me show you. I close this. Call the car the Irida 2. What you can do now, you can go to hosting here to the dashboard. Then over here, we go to websites, go to your website to the dashboard. Then go to files, file manager of your domain, select your domain, public HTML. Now let's go to Claude. Let's see how far it is. I can download this. Now if I take a look at the index, there should be 2 instead of 1. Now it's called Irida 2, but on my website, it's still 1. So what I do over here, I click on upload, file, then I go to downloads, Command A, open or Control A, replace all files in destination folder. And now when I go to the website, which is the one that is online, I refresh it. It's called Irida too. I know it's a workaround, but in the future, there will be much easier ways. There are there already, but I have to figure it out how you can make changes. So what I would do, first create everything over here in Claude. And then when you're like, your website is ready, then publish it to your website. But now you know how to replace your current website using Claude. So now you can show this to the whole world. As I said, you can also use a free domain. I decided to go with a temporary domain right now. But this is how easy it is these days to create a website. And let me be clear, of course, is a website finished? No, but it's crazy what you can do in such a short amount of time. I will dive deeper into this new way of making websites and make tutorials about it. So if you want to learn more, feel free to subscribe. Also feel free to like this video if you like it. If you have any question or feedback, you think I can do things better, let me know. I want to make the best tutorials possible. I'm continuing to doing what I love to do, that's learning how to make websites the best way possible. And then I will share my knowledge with you. So feel free to subscribe, and I wish you a great day and good luck with using Claude and Higgsfield.